Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so let's continue what you have started. So in my previous video, I talked about the stock market, where I said stock market is a marketable place where people buy and sell ownership in a company. So I said a lot about that, but today I'm going to be talking about the stock exchange. What is stock exchange? Stock exchange is a place where stock are traded. Example, we have Nigeria's exchange group, we have a New York Stock Exchange, that's for US, we have Nasdaq, that's for US, we have London Exchange Group, that is for the New York. We have type of stock, we have common stock and preferred stock. Then what is common stock? Common stock do gives ownership in a company. It usually allows voting in a company meeting, and also it may pay dividend. We have preferred stock. Preferred stock do pay fixed dividend, right? It has priority over shareholders, over common shareholders if the company is liquidated, and there is often limited or no voting at all in this preferred stock. So we have other terms like bullish and bearish stock, right? Whenever you see market is bullish or bearish, I'm going to tell you what that actually means. Bullish stock is a period where price generally rise and investors are optimistic. That is it. And the bearish stock is a time where price generally fall and the investors are pessimistic. So we have some important term associated with stock. There's a term whereby if you know that this is actually coming from stock. We have a lot of terminology. We have forex terminology, but we also have crypto terminology. Whenever I hear those terminology, you know that this is actually coming from crypto or is actually coming from forex. But today I'm going to be talking about the stock. Alright, so you're going to know. So I will list it. After listening it, I will explain it. We have the share or stock. We have portfolio, we have broker, we have market capitalization, and we have IPO. So what is share? Share is a unit of ownership in a company. Portfolio is all investment together. Like all your investment is called what? Portfolio. Market capitalization or market cap is a total value of that company. Right. So for those of you that normally trade in a Bybit, never want to paste a trade to enter a trade, especially in the spot trading. There's some in the left hand of your phone, there's where the market capitalization. The market cap of this coin is $1.something billion or thereabout. So that's what the market cap is, the total value of that company. So we have IPO. IPO means I've been seeing this for a long time, but I don't even know what it means. So I do my research. That is why it's very, very good for you to do research before you talk anything. I did my research, so I come to understand what this IPO actually meant. So IPO means initial public offering. What does it mean? It means a period or a time or a first time whereby a private sector or a private company sell their share to the public. That's what it means. Especially all this recently now, SpaceX launched their coin. SpaceX, there's something they talked about the IPO then. For those of you that is observant or normally listening to do something they talked about there, and I guess that was their first time the SpaceX company sell their share, right? Sell their share to the public. So that's not where we're going to. We have the risk involved in investing in stock market or in stock exchange. We have the risk that involved in that. Number one risk is that you can lose your money. That's it. Number one is you can lose your money. There is no 100% guarantee of win in stock market. Number two, if the company perform poorly, that is the risk and the risk of it. Then number three, we have economic recession can hurt the market. Economic recession can economic state or economic condition of that very country or that very particular company can hurt the market. Then number five is bad news can reduce the stock value. If people frame a bad news against your company, it can reduce your stock value until the bad news is resolved. That is when your stock will start skyrocketing. That's what it means, alright? So we're going to be talking about the disadvantage and the disadvantage of stock. Anything that have advantage also have disadvantage. So what is the advantages of stock market? Number one advantage of stock market is that it helps you to build wealth over time. It helps you to build it over time. Number two, it helps you to diversify your investment. Number two, it can help you to partake or to gain from the company growth. And the last but not the least, which is number four, is that some companies do share the dividend with their shareholder. The disadvantage of stock market is you can lose your money. That is the for sure, you can lose your money. And market is so unpredictable. unpredictable. That is the number 2 aspect. Number 1 is that you can lose your money. Number 2 is the market is unpredictable. Number 3 is emotional decision. I've been talking about this emotional decision. Remove anything about emotional decision. Make sure that you control your emotion before trying to partake on any stock trading. Right? Then the last but not the least is this market often require patience and research before you dive into any stock or before you invest on the stock market or thereabout. Make sure you do your research, and once you already invest, please have patience. Please exercise patience, because stock market is not for us. Neither is it a crypto that you say that you base and keep your laptop open and be watching it. The more it goes, the more this and that. If you have already invested, especially if you invested in Samsung company or Tesla company or Apple company or any company at all that invested, make sure that you exercise patience, and before you invest, do your thorough research. So you're not going to misbehave. Know the value of that company, know how well the company is performing, alright? Know the economic recession of the company before you do hurt your money. Any mistake you do, you're not the one to pay, it's your money that will pay for you, and you're not the one to receive, you're not going to receive the money back again, and that person will already receive the money. So that is it for today. Make sure you like my video. If you subscribe, click on the plus button and follow me for more. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping another video. Every day I'll make sure I will cook another video for you, so I'll be learning and improving. Please like my video. See you all. Thanks.